YouTube, what's going on today, guys? I'm back today with another banger. So I got a medical route that I'm gonna do today. I'm about to walk in here now, pick it up. You guys will never believe how much I'm getting paid to do this. When I get back, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. All right, guys, as you can see, that stuff was not small. I'm about to have a talk with dispatch and let them know that this stuff is oversized, actually. So we're gonna do that. Anyways, we got about 2 hours to go. Guys, we're almost there. It's about a 2-hour drive and we're close to our drop off. YouTube, what's going on today, guys? It's the next day and I got a whole banger for y'all. So yesterday I went ahead and dropped off those medical boxes. Pitch black outside, y'all, but it's all good though. Got that off. Today's a new day. Y'all gonna be sticking with me. I'm finna take this route and take off. So y'all lock in. We finna get right. All right, y'all, I'm finna give it to you right here, right now. So look, nothing is given in life. Everything is earned. Put your faith in the Lord and take it to the next level. He'll guide and direct your footsteps. Just trust in him. He'll get you to the finish line. You know, with business as well, my frame of mind, I like to put the Lord first because in actuality, I give him my business and he helps me flourish and guides my footsteps. So just a little motivation for y'all. Y'all keep y'all heads up. We definitely finna get to it. Y'all keep rocking with me.